In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT without creating an account, 2026 full guide. Hey everyone, if you're tired of juggling logins, verifying emails, and wondering how your data is used, this guide is for you. In 2026, you can open ChatGPT in your browser and start using it right away, no account required. I'll walk you through getting to the official site safely, locking down your privacy settings, crafting highly effective one-shot prompts, running interactive code and calculations, and knowing exactly when an upgrade might actually be worth it. First, let's get to the official dashboard. Open your preferred browser, like Safari, Chrome, or Brave, and type chatgpt.com in the address bar. Make sure the URL is correct to avoid lookalike pages. If you're not signed in, you'll land on a clean chat canvas and can start using the core features instantly. This avoids third-party wrappers and keeps you on the trusted interface. Before you type anything, secure your data settings. Look near the bottom corner for the Help or Settings icon and open the panel. Find the Data Controls section or a toggle like Improve the Model for Everyone and turn it off. This prevents your prompts from being used to improve future models and applies stricter retention, typically limited to a short period as described in the panel. Think of this as setting your privacy baseline for the session. Because an account-free session won't save your history, aim to get great results in a single, well-structured prompt. Put all the context, constraints, and formatting preferences up front. For example, you might say, role, act as an elite business consultant. Task, review this raw product idea list. Constraints, keep the tone highly professional, avoid corporate buzzwords, and restrict the answer to 3 concise points. Format, present the final critique in a clean markdown table. This one-shot approach gives the model everything it needs without relying on follow-ups. Now let's tap into interactive coding and calculations. Even without logging in, you can request code generation and execution for quick data cleaning or math checks. Paste your sample data, then ask, analyze this layout, write a clear Python script to sort the variables, run it, verify the math, and return the corrected output in a copyable block. Be explicit about inputs, outputs, and any edge cases to improve accuracy. Finally, know the limits and protect your work. You'll get free access to standard tools, but advanced features may be rate limited during peak times. Before a tab refresh or timeout, use the share or copy option at the end of the chat and save your results to your notes. That way nothing gets lost. That's it. With these steps, you can brainstorm, edit, and troubleshoot faster. No sign up, less friction, and more focus. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.